Coldwater Beach? Jonathan, where are you? Alligator.
Actually, we're really in downtown Orlando, but I just said that to make fun.
All right, wave bye-bye at the camera.
Goodbye. And this is my new pet. Stop, stop. Nobody do it.
Okay, now what? Bose speakers in here. Very fun.
Hey, Bethy, tell everybody what happens.
Here, let me show you what happens. You press these buttons, and then the lights up and go. Here, let me.
You say bye-bye, Jonathan?
Bye-bye.
Wow, look at those people up there. You see them? Yeah. Well, yeah.
Say hi. Well, Noam, tell us a little bit about how you're feeling.
How am I feeling? Is this recorded?
Yes.
Okay, I'm feeling very relaxed this time. I feel in good care of you and your wife and children, and I'm looking forward to the fireworks.
All right, thank you. Hey, Bethany, where are we?
We are at a lake, and I'm just looking through some glasses that make everything look like rainbow colors. It's really pretty.
Say bye-bye.
And now there's a ton of red dots in front of the camera, so...
This is fireworks in 3D, baby. Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July!
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Jonathan, did you like that?
No.
No? Why not? Oh, really?
And now, goodbye.
You want to say goodbye?